Are you looking for stress-free, maintenance-free living? Well, today we are so excited to show you this awesome villa here at 1503 Hampton Court in Belleville. It is a 2-bed, 2.5 bath, located right here off of 74th Street. And let me take you inside and give you a tour. So as you enter, you will notice the bright white walls and fresh paint throughout. They also have new baseboards and new flooring throughout this whole main space. And if you walk around the corner here, you'll see this big dining space right off the kitchen with doors leading out to your back patio. So we have a new light fixture here, again, the fresh paint and flooring. And then down the hallway, there's a half bath. And then right here around the corner is the kitchen. We have a galley style kitchen and newer black appliances. And I think a fresh coat of paint on these cabinets with some new hardware would go a long way. Really freshen up the look. So right off the kitchen, you'll find the sliding glass doors out to your private patio, where you can grill, sit out and drink your coffee in the morning, and just really enjoy this private space. Now we're gonna head upstairs and check out the bedroom. Upstairs, you'll find two very nice sized bedrooms. This is the larger of the two. It has 2 closets. And you'll also find a full bath with a new toilet and a nice sized linen closet in the hallway. There's lots of closet space in this home. Even though this bedroom is a little bit smaller, it's still really good size, and it has a very large walk-in closet. So right here in the kitchen, you'll find the door to the finished lower level, where you will find the family room, a nice laundry room with extra storage space, and another full bathroom. Now is the perfect time to fall in love with this villa because they have a pool that is open from Memorial Day to Labor Day every year, and a clubhouse that you can rent for all of your family activities. Thank you for taking a tour of this lovely condo with us, and give us a call if you would like to see it.